If you've recently bought a Samsung soundbar to go with your new 4K TV, for example, you might have one that says it's compatible with Alexa. I've been trying out the Samsung Harman Kardon soundbar with Dolby Atmos, model HW-Q70R, alongside a sweet 8K Samsung TV. But how do you get Alexa to work on your soundbar, and what can it do exactly? I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and let's answer those questions. And a really heads up that if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider subscribing, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. Most of our in-home technology is moving to hands-free, and this soundbar is no different. The HW-Q70R has Alexa voice control compatibility. Sadly, this is easier said than done. I'll walk you through the steps I tried to get it working and what finally worked in the end. It's worth pointing out that Alexa voice control is not built into the soundbar. You do need a separate Alexa device like the Amazon Echo, Show, or Dot in order to control the soundbar. No Echo device, no voice control. Getting the Alexa feature set up is not easy. Initially, I tried to simply add the device inside the Alexa app, but that didn't work and the app couldn't actually find the soundbar. Next up, I found some instructions online that said to enable Samsung Audio as a skill inside the Alexa app. To do this, go to the Alexa app and choose the hamburger menu on the top left. Click Skills and Games, then search Samsung. You can choose Samsung Wireless Audio and enter your Samsung account info to complete the link. The Alexa app will then ask you to discover nearby devices. Unfortunately, this didn't work either. Next up, I tried to link SmartThings as a skill and did the Discover Devices thing again. While Alexa did find the 8K TV, there was still no dice on the soundbar. After numerous attempts and a lot of online reading, it looks like a lot of folks are having trouble navigating this setup. It seems like you need some kind of odd combination of a Samsung account, the SmartThings app, and that Alexa connectivity or the Alexa account. But how exactly you get them to work together and in what order is a bit of a mystery. Next up, I decided to link the soundbar inside the SmartThings app to give it that control first. So to do that, go into your SmartThings app and click Add Device, then scan for new devices. Finally, it was seeing the soundbar. So then I went back into the Alexa app and tried Add Device in there, and bingo, that was finally seeing the soundbar as well. Now, once everything is working, you can say things like, Alexa, turn up the volume on Samsung Soundbar Q70R. You'll probably want to rename your soundbar, by the way, so that it's not such a mouthful, but you get the idea. The controls you'll get with Alexa are somewhat limited. Mainly you can adjust the volume, not so much things like playing or pausing, since those functions are controlled either by your smartphone's music app or Spotify or similar. And it appears you need a Spotify premium account to get full Alexa functionality, a service I don't currently have. You might go through a lot of these unnecessary steps trying to get things connected, but to recap, set up the soundbar inside the SmartThings app first, then add it in Alexa, and it should work. All right, that's how you can add Alexa voice control to your newer model Samsung soundbar. If you want to know if your soundbar is Alexa compatible, both Samsung and Amazon's websites will give you a list of those that are. If you want to read more, you can head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com, where I've posted a full blog and write-up, and you can ask me any questions you have either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. There are full reviews of this 8K Samsung TV and the soundbar online at blog.bestbuy.ca. You can also read a little bit more about them at TechGadgetsCanada.com as well. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time at ErinLYYC. You can also find me at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.